Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive an NA Miata. First, get comfortable in the driver's seat, ensuring you can fully depress the clutch pedal. The Miata's compact size, typically under 4 meters in length, makes it nimble. Familiarize yourself with the 5-speed manual shifter and the 3 pedals: clutch, brake, and accelerator. Proper seat adjustment is crucial for precise control and clear visibility of the road ahead. The Miata's short-throw shifter offers satisfyingly precise gear changes. When starting, slowly release the clutch while gently applying throttle to avoid stalling. The engine, often a 1.6 or 1.8 liter, thrives at higher revolutions per minute, typically between 4,000 and 6,000 RPM. Practice smooth, deliberate shifts to maintain momentum and fully enjoy the car's responsive nature on winding roads. The Miata is renowned for its exceptional handling, largely due to its near 50-50 front-to-rear weight distribution. This balance, combined with a low center of gravity, allows for incredibly agile and predictable cornering. Approach turns smoothly, looking through the corner, and apply gentle throttle as you exit. Avoid abrupt steering or braking inputs to maintain the car's natural balance and enjoy its communicative chassis. One of the greatest joys of an NA Miata is open-top driving. The soft top can be lowered or raised in mere seconds, often with one hand, transforming your driving experience. Remember to perform routine maintenance, such as checking engine oil, coolant, and tire pressures, typically around 26 pounds per square inch. Selecting good quality tires, with a treadwear rating around 200, significantly enhances grip and overall driving pleasure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.